Okay, welcome guys. So I will be showing you guys how to add your payment method, okay, and your tax. Okay, this is just a new account I created, and if you can see here, okay, if you can see here, you see fill in your tax and payment method. Okay, so I'll be showing you everything, how to fill it, okay, and which bank to add to it, and how to fill everything properly, okay, so you can receive your payment. Okay, but before I show you that, if this is your first time over here, welcome to my channel Online Money also. Okay, so if this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and tap on all so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on my channel. Okay, so if just log into your account, okay, let's just get started straight to the point. Okay, so when you log into your account, when they ask for payment method, you can just tap on this payment information, okay, to load the payment area for you. Okay, so you see something like this, you have to come over to this section here, okay, this section over here, this payment section, then you tap on change payment method. Okay, when you tap on that, to ask you to log in again. Okay, confirm my login. Okay, it's asking for OTP code. Okay, so I just have to input an OTP code. Okay, I'm showing you everything step by step because you might feel something like this. Okay, so let me enter this. Okay, okay, let me think the number is currently switched off. Okay, so I will send an OTP code to the number now. Okay, so then I'll tap on send OTP code. Okay, so it might take some seconds, okay, for me to receive the OTP code. Okay, so let me check my phone. And if you're unable to receive the OTP code, you can change your number over here, okay? Because sometimes some network services might not receive your OTP. You can change your number or tap on resend OTP. Okay, so I'm going to receive it. Then I tap on resend OTP. Okay, see it have been sent again. So let me wait till I receive it. Okay, I've actually received it just now. Okay, so I have to input the code here now. 0544. Okay, so that's the SMS alert I'm receiving regarding the OTP. Okay, so I've entered the OTP. So you see something like this. Okay, something like this: United States payment method, gift card or check. Okay, so basically, if you don't want to add your bank, okay, you can get paid by gift card, but adding payment method is the best, like adding a bank account. Okay, because I'll show you a bank account you can use whereby they'll pay you in dollar in that account and you can withdraw directly to your bank account in official black market. Like all those black market rates, you're not going to get your payment in official like bank rate. Okay, but let's say your payment around close to 700 naira per dollar. Okay, so you have to tap on add bank account, no bank account fund. You tap on add new bank account. Okay, this section here, add new bank account. Okay, so let me zoom out. Okay, add new bank account. So we need a bank account. Okay, so come over to your gray account. Okay, so if you don't have a gray account, I have a video on my channel here. Okay, where I showed how you can create a gray account. If you can see the video here, okay, I'll drop the link to this video in the description of this video. Okay, you can watch how to create a gray account to learn step by step how to create a gray account. Okay, and verify it. So once you have a gray account, you have verified it, you see a dashboard like this. Okay, so you have to come over to like account and reports. No, sorry, yeah, account and reports. Then you see that you are given a dollar bank. Okay, I think dollar, let's go down, euros and pounds. Okay, so for here we need the dollar. Okay, so Copy the account number. It's very easy to copy. Convert to your place, account number, copy and paste. Account holder name. Okay, what is the account holder name? Copy, come over here, paste. Just something very simple like this. Okay, so Swift and wire routine. Okay, is that same thing as, yeah, this is it here. Okay, they say I should confirm my account number, copy it again and paste it here. So they ask for account type. So look at it. Your account type, sorry, it has gone down. So your account type here is checkings. Okay, so let me tap on copy bank name. Okay, so your account type here is checkings. Okay, bank name, you paste it there, bank currency USD, and you just tap on save changes. Okay, so your account have been added, but you have not set your payment method yet. So you have to come to your payment method, come back here to payment method. Okay, then now when you tap on this part, you have to see the bank account you added. Okay, you know the first time we're listening to. So when you tap on this, you can see that the minimum withdrawal here is $10. You can see there $10. Okay, so you just tap on save. So you have automatically save your payment method, so you'll be paid directly to this bank account. Okay, so I don't need to show you much about this grid. Okay, so when you see your payment, the money will appear here. Okay, so let me see, you have a balance here, so you can just tap on it, this place, and you see like, let me see, if it's something like send USDT. Okay, if you want to send, I think you see a place to withdraw. It's very easy. Okay, you can, okay, so you swap USDT, you swap from USDT, transfer to your Naira balance. Okay, and if you see something they're actually giving you at, you can see it here, let me scroll it down for you. I'm telling you, you can see $1 is equal to 691 Naira. Okay, you can see that they're giving at a big rate. Okay, so but if the normal official bank rate is around 400 and something. Okay, let's check that ourselves. Okay, so $1 to Naira. Okay, so God usually show bank official rate. It's currently 430 compared to 691. Okay, as I suggest you to follow this method. Okay, so let's continue. So now to add your tax information, now tap on tax information. Okay, to open section for tax. Okay, so this differs for country to country. Okay, but if you're not in US, just follow me step by step. Okay, there's nothing tricky about filling tax. Okay, because I'm getting some query, people saying how do I fill in my tax, hope I did it where they need a TIN number and the rest. Okay, so first of all, tap on individual. Are you a citizen? No. Are you acting as, no? Okay, so just follow me. So your full name, just enter your full name. Okay, so let me just enter the name. Make sure you tally with the name on the bank account. Okay, so everything can be smooth. Okay, so don't do anything. Country or citizenship, select your country here. Very easy. Okay, so it's my country, Nigeria. Select your country. Yes. Do you have, see, it asks, I have a non-US TIN. If you have a TIN, you can input it, but it's not necessary. If you don't have, okay, you just untick it. If you don't have, see, just untick it. You see the rest. Okay, when you untick it, it will ask you something like this: if no TIN, any deduction of 30 will not apply. Meaning, if you not have TIN, they won't deduct 30% from your earning, because there's a US policy that exactly just 30%. It happens for everywhere. Okay, so you cannot write the country where I'm liable to pay tax does not issue TI into residents. Okay, so you cannot select one of okay, so you cannot select one of those reasons here. Okay, you can just tap on any one of these reasons. And since you are not from US, they will not stress you. And tap on continue. Then you have to scroll down here, letter to income, all services you perform outside US. Okay, so if you're performing your activity in the US, but outside US, all your promotion, everything is outside US. So nothing to be nothing to bother about here. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, so you see enter your name, I have certified, enter your name as signature. Okay, so just enter your name here, very easy. Enter your name and you just click on save and preview. Okay, so they will show you preview of the tax form just filled. Okay, then just tap on submit form. So you can see validated, your tax have been received and successfully validated. So they won't be deducting any money from your account. You can see 0%. So just tap on here to go back to the home page. Okay, I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Okay, so you tap on exit interview. Okay, so you see that I'm not seeing any option again. Everything is cool and clear. Okay, so I actually created a WhatsApp group. Okay, I actually created a WhatsApp group. Okay, so I also have a sorry, let me show you. Okay, so I created a playlist for if this is your first time here. I created a playlist about Amazon Bounty program. Okay, created a playlist showing you everything about Amazon Bounty program. Okay, so let me pause it for its play. Okay, so currently I have only 4 videos there. So if it's your first time, you can click on the playlist link is in the description of this video. You can tap on it. Okay, tap on it and watch the video. Okay, so I also created a WhatsApp group chat. Okay, so I created the WhatsApp group chat explaining about Amazon Bounty, a job update about Amazon Bounty. So if you want to join the WhatsApp group chat, kindly click the link in the description of this video. I listed everything, kind of check it. Okay, so everything is well listed here, so you won't confuse yourself. So that's all in adding your payment method and tax. Okay, so I'll be dropping more updates about Amazon Bounty program to promote, so letting you more offers. Okay, so just join the WhatsApp group and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.